Merging codes. Building higher order categories in ATLAS.ti 9 Windows. Here we see a long list of codes. Most of these codes have only been applied 2 or 3 times. If you code this close to the data, you quickly end up with hundreds or even thousands of codes. If you have generated 100 or so codes, it is time to clean up your code list. One way to do this is to first add all codes that could belong to the same higher order concept to a code group. Here, the group is effects positive. Code groups are filters, so with a click on the code group, your list of codes is reduced to only those codes in the group. Now you can continue to aggregate your data using the code merge option. You may have noticed that a number of codes refer to personal growth. Let's select all of these now. Right-click and select the merge option from the context menu. Select the code into which the other codes will be merged and click on the Merge Codes button. You don't have to be afraid of losing something. ATLAS.ti automatically adds all codes that you merged into the code comment field. A number of codes refer to improved relationships. Let's select those now and merge them as well. This time, we select the Merge Codes option from the ribbon. As the more abstract code label Improved Relationships does not exist yet, we can select any of the 4 codes. Then, we rename the merged code. All of the codes we are creating should eventually be subsumed under the category Effects Positive. Therefore, we add Effects Pos as a prefix. All codes have been merged now. The last thing to do is to also add the prefix to the code Personal Growth. If you remove the code group filter, you see that all codes related to positive effects are listed underneath each other in the code list. An option is to add a new code as a category title in capital letters. Next, you can add a color to the codes that belong to a category. Being able to merge codes is also useful for team projects and more generally every time you need to combine 2 or more code labels.